be showing you how to peel your green bananas, right?
Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
This video in particular, I'm going to be showing you how to take the banana out of its skin and cook it as is, right? Because a lot of people are saying, okay, when they cook it in the skin, some may say, oh, it's laziness. But for people who are doing bulk cooking, that is the most effective and efficient way to get it done. If you're at home and you're not so pro at this, I'm going to be showing you how to get this out of the skin to get your bananas looking wholesome as this one. The first thing in preparing bananas are very stainy. So what we need? Some oil. And we're just going to grease our palm and the hands, alright? Just so we don't get stains, because that's the hardest thing to get off your hands, stains. Bananas are already washed, as you can see. Just remove them from the bunch like that, separate them, cut the top off like that, not too deep, and the bottom just like that, right? You're going to use the tip of your blade and you're going to run it down right on the banana, not too deep, just a tip like that. So you can use your finger as a guide so you don't go too deep. You don't want to cut into the banana, right? Just the skin. We pull that right down. So on all of these corners, that's where you're going to run your knife. Gently run it down, and you do it on a slant as if you're lifting the skin, and you do that all the way around. You can use a knife to help you out with the first layer. So just use a knife, the back of the knife preferably, and rise that layer up, right? Then you're going to use the side of your thumb now to push back that skin, holding everything firmly in place, and you slide your thumb down. So you're kind of lifting up that skin, right? Because remember, you don't want to break the banana itself. Use your thumb and you rise it out like that. Flip it over if you may. You rise it out like that. Use the thumb. You rise it up like that. So just use a finger, because if you use a nail, you're gonna dig into the banana. You don't want that. So use the side of your fingers and you just lift, push that off. See, my fingers are starting to become stained, but that will wash off easily because I have it in oil. Alright, you just lift that. Use the thumb, man. Use up the thumb. Push that back. Push that back. All the way around. So you do that for each layer. See, it's getting dark. What you want to do, have your lime water, because that stops it from oxidizing, right? In layman terms, from becoming brown. And you just wash it right away. So that's something you have to have on hand, is some water with lime. Anything acidic will stop stuff from oxidizing. You know what I say? So if you have lemon, use that. If you have orange, use that. Use the back of your knife to just scrape like the excess off, because no one wants to taste like the stain of this banana in their mouth when they're eating. You want to enjoy a nice piece of banana. You feel what I say? Just use the back of the knife. Reason being, because we don't want to use the blade to dig again, as I said, into the flesh of the bananas, because that's what your nail would have done if you use your nails to clean this up, right? So we just scrape that off, like the excess from the outside, nicely, smoothly. Dip that again in your water, and you get your lime and you just run it over it. Just give it a nice quick wash. That's how you get your bananas out of the skin. Your green bananas out of the skin perfectly. Alright, so now I'm going to speed up the process to show you that it won't oxidize once you do it fast enough. But for the sake of the demo, it's going to oxidize because I have to show you how I get it done. But we'll just, and take your time with this if you're new to it. Don't rush it. Just have your lime and water ready to help you out so it doesn't oxidize, right? So in less than a minute, man, we get them. After you grasp the concepts of getting it out the skin, in less than a minute you're good to go. So see, it's not even oxidizing as yet because we did it so fast. But we're still gonna need that lime juice, you know? I find that a lot of people have been reaching out over on Instagram, but I want to know what my YouTubers think of these simple short videos. If they're helpful in your household, let me know in the comment section. And there you have it, how to remove the skin from your green bananas for cooking here on Morristown Cooking Ed. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, my people, and one big up on yourself.
Another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, and have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.